Hi, I'm Brian King. Welcome to King Law. Calling a lawyer is not easy. In fact, it may be the most difficult thing that you do in terms of your personal life or your business life. It's not easy when you've been sued or you're going through a legal issue or it's a family issue or maybe you've gotten a DWI, whatever that situation is. I know it wasn't easy to be able to call a law firm. But when you call King Law, it's a little different in the towns that we represent, and there's 30 of them, then we're an integral part of our community with 60 plus lawyers all working together to make sure that where you are, no matter where that is, we're going to be able to get you to where you need to be. Now, that's not going to be easy. A lot of times it's going to be a curvy line, but what we do promise you is that we're always going to be there, that you have an intake team that can call you, that you're going to know exactly what's going on with your accounting and what's going on with your case. You know that you're going to be assigned a case manager who is going to be a person who you can pick up the phone and call to and be able to get to the attorney, whatever that attorney needs to be dealing with or whatever issue. Your case manager will be right there to be able to answer those questions, and we'll be able to guide you through each step. Now, if there's ever any kind of issues or anything that you need and you're not able to get anybody, you can contact me. You can contact any of the partners at our office or any of our staff at any of our locations. But what's most important is that you feel comfortable, that you've been taken care of, and we've gotten you the best possible outcome that you can get in your case. I understand it's not easy, and I appreciate and thank you for the trust that you've shown. Now, hopefully, we're going to be able to turn around and take that trust that you've given to us and get you that great result. But even if there's a situation where you say, like, this is not going to be easy, there's only going to be these alternatives, we promise that we're going to be right there with you through that whole process. That's who we are at King Law.